Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Now in this video I'm gonna show you how to play really very easy simple games and you can start making money online with just by playing this very simple games. Okay, this is really interesting and a lot of people are making a lot of money just playing this very simple games. You don't need to download any heavy games to your computer or do all that stuff. You can do this in your mobile phone or in your computer and you can start making money doing this very simple thing. Okay, we are also gonna include affiliate marketing in this so that you can make extra money out of this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to download the software which is known as OBS Studio. Okay, OBS Studio is the software which I am using. So this is the software which is known as OBS Studio. Now you just have to download this software. It's available absolutely for free on internet. So you just have to download this software which is known as OBS Studio for this purpose. Okay, so if you really want to stream games, then you just need this software. That's really important, that's really necessary. And now let's get started and let me show you the interesting things about this software and how you are gonna make money using this software. Okay, playing really very simple games, anyone can play this type of games. You don't need to download them to your computer. Everything is super easy and super simple. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to open your browser. Okay, let's open our browser and just go for this is my channel Moneymaker001. I teach about various money making tips, tricks and all the stuff in my YouTube channel. So if you really want this type of all of stuff for you and you want to watch this type of videos in which I teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, online business, then you can definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel and really enjoy all these videos and learn a lot of things. Okay, now let me show you how you can make money just playing very simple games. Okay, so this is something which is really interesting. Not many people are telling you about this stuff, but you can still do this stuff and really make a lot of money doing this very simple strategy. Okay, so now let's jump into the content and let me show you from where you are going to play this online games and earn money. Okay, how you are gonna earn money and all this stuff will be covered in this video, so watch this video till the end. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to this type of websites. Okay, so this type of websites are known as online gaming websites. Okay, so you can go to this type of online gaming websites and you can play all these games online over here. You don't need to download these games to your computer and all that stuff. All you need to do is go over to this website, select the game which you like and just start playing those games. Okay, now how we are going to utilize this game. Okay, so to play these games, when you are going to play these games, all you need to do is use this software which is known as OBS Studio. All you need to do is just download the software, set up this software, and all you need to do is click on start recording. Okay, this is stop recording button which appears, but when it's not recording, there is the option of start recording over here. All you need to do is click on start recording and play the game as long as you want. Okay, and after you have completed playing your game, all you need to do is click on stop recording and your screen recording video is created in which you are playing a game. Okay, then you can upload those videos to YouTube and create a gaming YouTube channel out of it. That's the most important thing, because with this type of videos you can create a gaming YouTube channel. There are thousands and thousands of games available on the internet which you don't need to download to your computer. You can directly play those games online and then stream those games. You can also live stream these games using this software OBS Studio. If you don't know how to live stream with this OBS Studio or how to set up OBS Studio, just go to YouTube and search. There are thousands and thousands of videos which teach you how to use OBS Studio and start making money out of it, and how to stream games and records, but just by doing this software, using this software and just playing this very simple games can make you a lot of money in 2020. Anyone can do this, even a kid can do this and start making money doing this. Okay, so all you need to do is use the software, record your screen and the entire while you are playing the entire game, and you can start making money with this really very simply and really very easily. Now we are also going to add some of the streams of income. Okay, so now let's add one stream of income to this which is really important, and that is affiliate marketing. Okay, so as we are affiliate marketers, we want to make some extra chunk of money, and let me show you. Just all you need to do is go to google.com. Okay, once you go to google.com, now over here you just have to type in, okay, let's type in gaming affiliate programs. Okay, So now we have opened this all this. Okay, so now yes, you can just check out all these websites. Okay, there are lots and lots of gaming affiliate programs. All you need to do is join this affiliate programs of gaming. Okay, for example, you can see these are the gaming affiliate: Green Man Gaming, okay, G2A Gaming, King Queen, okay, Fanatical, Amazon. Okay, so you can promote a lot of games. Just put out the affiliate link of games which are available on the Amazon and the description of the YouTube videos of in which you are playing games. It's really simple and really easy. Okay, so you can just you can promote any of this affiliate program. Just join all this affiliate program. You also have a Twitch affiliate program. So Twitch is really trusted company and lot of gamers love it. So you can make a lot of money just by putting your affiliate links of Twitch affiliate program in the descriptions of your video, and you can really start making some serious money doing this very simple stuff, just playing this very simple games online and just making a lot of money out of those games. All you need to do is play this very simple games. Okay, there are many other famous games which are also available on the internet, so you can download those free games onto your computer and start playing those games and start making money using those very simple games. Okay, this is a lot of money to be made, because you know that the biggest YouTube channels in the entire of YouTube are gaming YouTube channels. You have seen PewDiePie as a gaming YouTube channel, Markiplier as a gaming YouTube channel, so you just understand the potential of how big a gaming YouTube channel can get. And that's the reason why this is how you can start playing games and start making money with YouTube. That's really easy. Just stream your games, really simple games. You don't need to download and install those games to your computer. All you need to do is go to this type of, many of these websites are available on the internet. All you need to do is go to this all these websites and you can start playing games. Okay, any of the games whichever you love. Okay, that's really simple and that's really easy, and many people are making a lot of money just by playing this type of games. Plus we are gonna earn some extra money because we are also gonna do affiliate marketing with this, as well as you can also earn money through live streams. Okay, so you can use this same software OBS Studio and create a live stream of any of the game whichever you like using this really simple software. Many of the people are just streaming their games lives and making a lot of money, and they also earn a lot of money through super chats as well as membership programs of gaming which they promote on the YouTube channels. So you will get all these perks. Okay, all you need to do is invest your time, and you there is no investing of time because you can enjoy playing games, and on the same time you can also start earning money with those very simple games. So what can be better than this? This is one of the best opportunity in 2020, and you can see that the gaming is in a trending. Okay, gaming has been trending, it remains in trending, and it will go on trending day by day, so don't worry about that. And one thing which you should keep in mind that is that you should just look out for the trending games. Okay, whenever a new trending game comes out, just play that game, stream that game, or record a video on that game and upload that game videos to YouTube, so that when the game is trending, there is a greater chance that you will get a lot more traffic on that games and you can start making a lot more money with that game. So this is the trick which none of the affiliate gurus are going to tell you. They will tell you that you can create a gaming YouTube channel and all this stuff, but no one will tell you about the secret strategy of utilizing trending games, and due to this you can make a lot of money. But in the start, if you don't have the money to buy all those trending games, you can play this very simple games and really do affiliate marketing with this, as well as you can also apply for YouTube video monetization after you have completed 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time on your YouTube channel. Not anyone very less people are doing this, or you can see that very less people are playing this type of games on YouTube, and that's why there is a huge market for this type of games where you can play these simple games, entertain the people. You can also have some commentary of yourself on these games and really make a ton of money just by doing this very simple easy stuff. Anyone can do it, even a kid can do it, and you can start making a lot of money just by doing this very simple, because people are making thousands of dollars just by promoting this playing this very simple games and promoting those games on YouTube as well as Twitch or other platforms whichever you love. Okay, so this is something which can make you a lot of money. So if you got some value out of this video, just press the like button under this video, as well as you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Moneymaker001. I create videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, online business, and all this interesting stuff. So if you are really interested in all this interesting stuff, then do press the subscribe button, as well as you can also follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description, and you can ask any of your queries, any of your doubts, any of your questions on Instagram. I will 100% reply to whatever queries or doubts you have regarding Instagram. And one more thing which I would like to tell you, that if you are really going to do this, okay, then I suggest you one of the program. Okay, that program is known as Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, Video Marketing Blaster is a program which I am using, and due to that I am getting a lot more views on my YouTube channel, on this YouTube channel. So if you are planning to start a YouTube channel on this gaming niche, then I highly recommend to use Video Marketing Blaster. That is the first link in the description. It is a really simple software which will help you to rank your YouTube videos higher in the search results, so that you can get more views and more traffic to your YouTube channel and eventually make more money. Okay, so if you are really going to take action on the strategy, just go down in the description and just check out Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, there is a money back guarantee, so if you don't like the program, then you can just cancel for it any of the time wherever you wish. Okay, that's really easy, that's really simple, and this is how you can make a lot of money in 2020. So if you got some value out of this video, you can also check out other videos on my channel. They will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online and all that interesting stuff. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.